If you truly want to sell your home for top dollar, listen up. It's time to get real and get back to the basics. Welcome into your Real Estate Market Minute, everyone. I'm Jenny with Stockworth. So you want to sell your home. You want to sell it for the highest amount possible, and you want to sell it quickly. It's time to revisit the basic 3 Ds for getting your home ready to sell. Desensitize, depersonalize, and declutter. First up, desensitize. You have to look at the home as though it is no longer yours. You need to be okay getting it ready for buyers to be able to picture themselves in the space. So disassociate yourself from the emotional attachment you have to the home and be open to the recommendations your agent gives you. I always tell my sellers, please do not be offended as we go through the home and I tell you what we need to do to get you top dollar. Usually it's simple things that can make a huge difference, which brings us to depersonalize. You may love the decor in your home, but it may not be everyone's taste, so you need to make it as neutral as possible. You may love that orange accent wall, or artificial plant collection, or the 10 baskets on the shelf above your kitchen cabinets, but they're not for everyone. So create a neutral palette that allows any buyer who comes through to be able to envision what they would do with the space. As for family photos, I'm okay with a few photos remaining, just not everywhere you turn. I actually will often hear buyers making nice comments about a beautiful family photo they see. So don't stress too much about that in my opinion, but again, you don't want them to be all over every single wall. And lastly, but perhaps most importantly, declutter. And I mean completely declutter. That means everything from cleaning off your office desk to clearing off kitchen and bathroom counters and showers to taking down knickknacks from shelves. I will also put removing or rearranging furniture in this category. It's amazing what simply moving one piece of furniture from one wall to another can do to a space. As for playrooms, it's a good time to donate those toys your child no longer plays with and put away or neatly organize the rest for showings. As for pets, put away the food and water bowls for showings. And if you have any pet odors in your home, which you may have and not even realize you have because you're just used to living in the space. So if your agent tells you he or she can smell Fluffy or Fido when they walk in the door, believe them. That means buyers will smell it also. So there are some great solutions I'm happy to share with you because you also do not want to overdo it on the air freshener. I'd love to help you get your home ready for the market. Call, text, or leave a comment below and let's get that home ready for a new owner. Thanks everyone and stay well.